Hi, welcome to Sri Avanti Silks. I have been a regular visitor of this shop, and whenever I want to buy any sari, the first shop that I think of is Sri Avanti Silks. And I'll show you their fusion collection, which is the in-trend collection nowadays. We have a fusion of South as well as Gujarat over here. This is a fusion sari of Kanchivaram and Bandhej. And in bandhej also, this is Rai bandhej, which is a very close knit bandhej. And once the sari is polished, you can see that how closely it is and how dense the work is. It takes a lot of patience and time for the person who is doing this, and we have to appreciate the kind of efforts that the weaver has put in this sari. And as you all know, Kanchivaram again is a traditional wear. So this will give you a very royal look. The sari will be very lightweight, but still it will give you a royal look and a very elegant look in this sari. And the other sari that I like that is again a rich sari, but then this is a very lightweight sari which you can wear for a light party or even to your office. And especially I like these kind of saris because I'm a working lady. So this is with Tussar silk and with Ajrak and again bandhej. See, if you remember, I had shown you that this is a Rai bandhej sari wherein the bandhej is very closely done. Here the bandhej is not that dense, but then this again is a Rai bandhej, but it is not that dense. And this you can prefer for light summer wear, and because Tussar is like a light silk sari, and even for office wear you will not even feel like as if you're wearing a sari. This is that lightweight. Yeah, the blouse again comes in Ajrak. So especially for your corporate wear, you can prefer these kind of saris. You will have various colors. Basically Ajrak and bandhej comes in very subtle pastel shades. This would not look good in very bright shades. So some people may say that this is a very dull look or something like that. But then this only, the pastel shades or the light colors only enhances the work. So this is how the Ajrak looks like. It is a very soothing summer shade wherein you would love to wear it. This is again a South sari, again a fusion sari wherein like three weavings have been done. Like one is Kanchivaram, one is this bandhej, and then you have a slight border of Pochampalli. So these are three traditions or three styles that have been put together or blended in one sari. So this again will give you a very royal look and a very elegant, bright sari. If you want to go for a party, you can prefer these kind of saris. So this is one reason, because I find a lot of fusion and lot of different variety of collections over here, and I don't have to hop around different shops to go for different kind of saris. So this is one place that I prefer coming to when I think of a sari. So this is again a different collection. This is like Maharashtrian Varli hand painted sari. This again is very light in weight and very comfortable and summery fabric. So you can again go opt for it for your office wear or even a light event or any day outing you want to go for. This is the pallu. This again is like little grand. So you will not feel like as if you're wearing a very simple or a sober sari. It will have both a grand look as well as a comforting feel. This is again a very lightweight but a very rich sari. This is Kosa silk. This you can wear again like for office wear or even for light parties. This is thread weaving done over here, and then the pallu is again zari pallu, and the sari will be plain like this. So this is again a very light, soothing, very lovely sari, and like this, I cannot even feel that I am holding a sari which is a 5.5 meter sari. The weight is so light. Of Kosa. So this again is like you can wear it for a light party or for even your office wear or even for regular visits. See, because this is very light in weight, so you can carry when and where you want to go. This again is a Kosa sari with traditional Sambalpuri border. Sambalpuri is basically from Orissa. So this again is a very soothing combination of a cream and a red color, and this especially Bengalis would prefer because they prefer this combination. So they can go for their Durga Puja or any puja occasions, they can opt for this kind of sari. This is again a tussar sari with zari work, but then the weaving is so fine that the zari will not pinch you. Usually zari saris, you feel harsh on your skin, but then the weaving is so fine. Why I'm telling you this is because you can see the quality of the weaving and the kind of saris that they have. This is like a very, it is looking like a printed sari, but this is actually a zari weaving that is done. You can see this. This is again a very pastel shade, summery shade for kosa, and it is printed. This you can, ladies can wear it to their office, or even if you want to gift it to your mother or your grandmother, this is a go-to sari. This is like such a soothing, lightweight sari, and it is it's so appealing to the eye. Like summers mein you don't feel like wearing very bright and dashy colors. So this is like, you can opt it for your office wear.
Visit to the Avanti Silks on March 4th and 5th as we are celebrating the Advanced Women's Day celebrations, and Avanti Silks is providing discounts like 50% discounts on all the saris and dupattas. So I would suggest please visit and purchase such a beautiful collections for summer and for party wear and for office wears. We have huge collections available at Avanti Silks.